What's up guys, welcome back to Creatober day 12. For today's challenge I figured I'd do some 3D modeling since I wanted to do that more often. Since the prompt is humanoid, I wanted to model a kind of creepy figure sitting down, while also drawing inspiration from Mayan and Aztec statues. I once saw this very digitalized looking poster and it was made using Aztec imagery, which was the rough direction I wanted to go in. After modeling, I dropped the figure into Cinema 4D where I did the lighting. I then dropped the composition into Photoshop where I started drawing a pattern around the figure. I sometimes do this in my sketchbooks and it can be really calming. Finally, I didn't really know how to finish the poster, so I started experimenting to get a digitalized look in Photoshop. In the end, I was really happy with the result, but last minute I decided on a different color. So if you want to get the project file from this video, you can become a Patreon member. All of the 31 project files from Creatober will be available for the inner core members on my Patreon channel. So that means that you can get the PSD files, Illustrator files, Cinema 4D files, anything that I use in that project. If you want to learn more, check out the link in the description down below.